What's up, YouTube? I get motivated. I'm trying to keep my discipline going and just do what I can. I'm doing a full body workout. I'm trying to lose weight, trying to get healthier. Today, I'm gonna do compound movements. I'm gonna stick with maybe a bench press. I'm gonna try to do squats, and I'm gonna try to do deadlifts, and then maybe some isolation exercises as well, isolation movements. Obviously, I mean, I've done this many times before and I failed and it didn't work out. It's me trying too much, you know, and I think that's what caused the problem here with me. I'm not counting calories. I have nothing structured when it comes to what program I'm doing. It's just full body workout for now. Just pretty much going to the gym, lift anything that I feel like I want to lift, and try to focus on the whole body. Like get a little bit of legs in there, get some chest in there, get a back exercise in there, get, you know, your arm exercise, things like that. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to get, you know, unmotivated and discouraged, you know, on going to the gym. Right now it's 7:42 in the morning. I'm gonna hit the gym and we'll see how it goes. All right, some compound movements today. Let's get it. Squats ever, so it's super light. It's super awkward for me. Trying to learn how to do these movements. These are not normal movements for me that I do on a daily, that I did in the past. I don't do these movements other than I've done in the past bench and, again, isolated workouts. Now let's get this. So many thoughts are going through my head right now. It's like a pause, like procrastination happens right now. Where I'm like, fuck it. Alright. Best thing to do is, you don't know something and you see a trainer or something, ask. You want to ask. Alright, let's get it. Okay, so we normally put it in that?
Yeah, usually, well, you don't have to. Like, you can just put it on the ground. But this is just so it's easier to pick the weight up once there's weight on.
Okay.